everyone. I'm Simarpreet Singh, and I just want to thank every one of you. जितना आप लोगों ने हमको प्यार दिया है, हरटेक में we started जब लॉकडाउन स्टार्ट हुआ था, हमने एक इनिशिएटिव स्टार्ट किया कि हम लोगों को कैसे बेनिफिट कर सकते हैं, लोगों को घर पे बैठे लोग इतना जो स्ट्रेस बढ़ रहा था, सारी चीजें थे, एंड वी लॉन्च्ड हरटेक्स नॉलेज प्लेटफॉर्म, नॉलेज सेंटर हमने स्टार्ट किया, जिसमें वी हैड सीरीज ऑफ वेबिनार्स हुए, उसके बाद हमने मास्टर क्लासेस की, वी हैड great people like Boman Moradi and Dr. Menon is here today, and we would just want to thank you. Our mission is very clear, to create a positivity and to provide knowledge to people at their home during this lockdown time. Knowledge platform जो हटेक का ही हम continue करेंगे, जैसे you are seeing on the YouTube platform also. This is our digital initiative, and so once again a very big thank you for all of you, जितने भी participants. Every registration we've got more than 1,000. So a big thank you. Today, once again, we have the blockbuster session. Dr. Anil Menon is here. He's been talking on various aspects. His mission is financial literacy for all. He's been interacting at our platform. We have Dr. Anil Menon speaking on insurance and investments today. Dr. Menon, over to you.
Hello, everybody. My name is Anil Menon. I'll be taking you all through insurance and investments. This is a short summary of the sessions that I did for Dear Simar of Hardtech Knowledge Center. The idea of this is very simple. I'll give you a 1 hour capsule which you can easily apply rather than go through many videos. Okay, and again, thank Dear Simar and his lovely team for the work that they are doing. So in the lockdown, I believe these kids have conducted numerous sessions on numerous topics. Okay, and mine was a part of this webinar series. I start this session in memory of my guru, Dr. Shrikant, who has helped me grow and helped many people grow. So with Naman to Dr. Shrikant, I start today's session. So the first request to all of you all is to understand that many of us believe that life will go back to normal, things will be good, but that's a completely false notion. I don't think that will happen at all, right? In fact, many of us are predicting a V-shaped recovery. Some of us are saying a U-shaped recovery. But I don't think that will happen. What will specifically happen is, according to me, things will go up, down, up, down, up, down, and there'll be a lot of changes and volatility. So are we prepared for that? So this session is to prepare yourself for all eventualities. I will not start with investments, as always. I like to start with risk cover. I like to talk about insurances first. So what is financial planning encompassing? Financial planning, as many of you know, is defining your financial goals, and once you define your financial goals, you go to achieve that. I repeat, I will not start with investments. I'll talk about a plan B. A plan B is insurance if things go wrong. So let's start with that, because today's times, that is these challenging times, has proved to all of us that that you have to plan yourself for any eventuality. Having said that, some examples of financial literacy is, please understand, you may have a savings account which gives you 2.5%, 3%. Please activate it to a sweep facility. Sweep facility will give you around 5.5%. Simple, just send a mail to your bank asking for sweep facility. And respected colleagues, dear friends, all banks have sweep facilities. All banks have sweep facilities. Second, if you are planning to invest in gold, please plan investing in sovereign gold bonds. It's extremely important to have investment in sovereign gold bonds. Don't buy physical gold. It doesn't make sense. PPF, all of you all should please consider, because there is no attachment on PPF. Extremely useful for businessmen and for everybody, because it is EEE. EEE stands for exempt status. One more very important rule is the rule of 72. 72 divided by the interest rate will give you a doubling period. 72 divided by the interest rate will give you doubling period. So please be noted, if somebody says, I'll give you 8%, you know that your money will double in 9 years. If somebody says, I'll give you 12%, you know that your money will double in 6 years. Even yesterday, I was going through a presentation by some dear colleagues, and I realized that they were giving, Simar, you should pay attention to this bit. They were actually asking people to invest in Bitcoins. I will not give the name of the firm, but thanks to Captain Aditya, who drew my attention to this webinar. It was clear it was a Ponzi scheme. Ponzi scheme is a scheme which is, they are run by cheats. They are doing this to extract people from money from everybody. They will show very high returns and there will be a referral. So please understand, how do you identify a Ponzi scheme? Very, very high returns, 24%, 40%, and there will be a referral to it. So if you introduce somebody, there will be a referral. Unfortunately, this scheme, which was being promoted as a quasi Bitcoin, was again a Ponzi scheme. My request to all of you all, please be careful of Ponzi schemes. And yes, keep spreading the knowledge. That's what we believe at Hartech Knowledge Center. Keep spreading knowledge. That gives you maximum social returns. Okay. Having said that, yes, my favorite, risk assessment, very, very important. Life insurance. Let's get it very, very clear. Death is absolutely there at our doorstep. It can happen anytime. So please be prepared for that eventuality by taking life insurance. When you take life insurance, it is only one and one product, that is term insurance. My request to all of you all is, do not mix insurance and investments. So if you mix insurance and investments, neither will you get a good cover, nor will you get a good return. So my mantra is straight. So this short summary is straight. Action point is straight. Take only pure term insurance. That's all. What should be your value of your insurance? At least 7 to 10 times your annual income. 7 to 10 times your annual income, plus outstanding loans, plus outstanding loans. So again, I repeat, life insurance, first topic, term insurance, pure term, pure term, pure term, 7 to 10 times your annual income. Last Menon mantra, also add your loans outstanding. Having said that, financial goals, how do you define? It should be SMART. Some people say, I want my daughter to get married. That's not a SMART financial goal. You're not measured it. I want my son to be educated abroad. What is the measure? The measure is, it should be specific. SMART stands for specific, measurable, number, attainable. Right? I'm very sure at this stage in life, if somebody says that I will like to get, Anil Menon should get 1,000 crores, I think it's beyond my reach, right? That is why this word attainable. Keep an attainable goal. Realistic, again the same thing. Anil Menon 1,000 crores will not go together. And time bound. So specific, measurable, attainable, realistic, time bound. That is the full form of SMART goals. Please incorporate SMART. Please incorporate SMART in your financial planning. Of course, you could send your questions to dear Simar, right? And I will answer them, right, via Simar, Hartech itself. So this is exactly what I was saying, right? SMART is, do not, one line, do not be vague. That's all. Be very specific. Having said that, very, very important. Define, so here are the Menon mantras. You know, define your financial goals with time periods. So what is your short-term goal? Less than 1 year. Then don't go to equity markets. It's stupid. If you are having a time horizon of less than 1 year, equity is not the product for you. SMART, right? Do not be vague. Keep it simple and stupid. Many of us are very scared to ask questions, right? And then you go and invest in some complicated products. Don't do that. If you don't understand, don't invest. Extremely important. If you don't understand, don't invest. Not my words, words of Warren Buffett, the guru of investments. Please understand, there is risk in every investment. As we all know, Templeton has collapsed. The debt fund collapsed. A lot of people are crying, saying, oh, they lost money. But if somebody is giving you higher returns, you should question that good performance. So one very important learning through this webinar is, even question good performance. If somebody is excelling, ask him a question. What is it that he is doing extra that he is excelling? That is called that something extra, maybe risk. Time is your best friend. It's an effect of compounding. Always talk in terms of risk adjusted returns. So never say, I'm getting 18%. Anyway, you would have got 8% without carrying any risk. So your 18% actually means you have got only 10% more than the risk-free rate. Risk adjusted returns. Once again, you're getting 18%, but without any risk, you would have got 8% by investing in government bonds. So what is it that you're getting extra? 18 minus 8, 10%. How did you get that? Simple, by taking extra risk. Again, I repeat, PPF must for, right, again with folded hands, must for every businessman. I can see in these challenging times what has happened to many businesses. I was talking to a dear colleague now, and we were talking about how many job losses in the markets. Please understand, very, very important to have PPF for its tax status. And again, I repeat, it cannot be attached. Rule of 72, we have discussed. Ponzi schemes, we have discussed. Extremely critical to have discipline in investments. Some of us panic. Market is down, you sell. Panic, never panic. Some of us become greedy. Oh, the neighbor has become rich, so let me also try it. No, discipline. Discipline, most important. Outsource and engage an expert if needed. Yes, experts are available. But my favorite is an expert who charges fees. Don't go to an agent who is giving you free services. There is nothing known as free services. I'll explain that in the subsequent slides. So, but here I'm saying outsource and engage an expert and pay him fees, okay? Index funds, my favorite in equity. So index funds, I'll keep repeating this in every slide. My favorite, low risk, high returns. Equity product, low risk, high returns. Always maintain records. Many of us don't do that. That's stupid. You invest and you don't know where you have invested. That's a very bad mistake. Don't keep all your eggs in one basket. So don't have only equity or only real estate. Have a bit of everything. Yes, these are challenging times, right? But then please understand, right? This also will pass, and you will see this point of mine in every single slide. Keep sharing knowledge. Knowledge once shared will only keep growing. You will see this Menon mantra. This was a session conducted for Hartake Power on 29th of April. This was the final summary of that. And you will see this last slide repeating for every single seminar of mine. Keep sharing knowledge. Keep sharing knowledge. That's extremely important. Financial literacy is a need of the hour. Having said that, I leave it to you all to have a glance at these slides one more time, because this is where it is important, especially the discipline part. We now proceed to the next session, which was again conducted. Here, what did we discuss? So this was on 17th May. I talked about medical insurance, and I requested all of you all to go for a family floater plan. So mantras very, very clear. Family floater plan. Include yourself, include your wife and kids. If there is a senior citizen, like for my parents, I have not included them in family floater because the premium shoot up. Please take a separate Mediclaim for senior citizens. It is available. There is a Mediclaim available for even super senior citizens today. Please also note that good news for all of you all, diabetes is also covered, except when it is insulin administered. Normal diabetes is also covered, because a lot of questions came up on that. Take riders like daily hospital allowances, very, very important, because they will pay only certain fees, but you will have a special food being given to the patient, something extra. For that, you need daily hospital allowances. Never take top-up plans. Never take top-up plans. Take super top-up plans. In one line, why super top-up plans are better? Because it will keep paying you multiple number. Normally works for only one hospitalization. But what if the person gets hospitalized multiple number of times? That's where a super top-up comes in. Pay something extra, but go for super top-up, super top-up. Buy only pure term insurances. I've been saying this from day one. For your wife and protection of kids, please consider married woman's property. Married woman's property, very, very important. I still would like to quote Mr. Harshad Mehta, who lost everything, but nobody could touch the 5 crore rupees that he left for his wife and kids. They took away his life, if you read his history. But that 5 crores could not be touched because it is under MWP. This has been there in the country, our country, right, from 1864, right, but people have not noticed. MWP is applicable for new policies. Please note, your existing policy cannot go under MWP. A very interesting discussion that I had with one of the participants, thanks to dear Simar, is he asked me a question. Suppose I do MWP in my wife's name and tomorrow we get divorced. These kids ask all sorts of questions. The answer to that is, if you get, no, welcome. If you get divorced, nothing, that money will go to your wife, right? If you divorce or don't divorce her, money will go in her name. That is a drawback or a good thing, I don't know. For me, it's a good thing. At least the family will stay together if you consider the MWP. But that I like that question. It shows that times have changed. Choose a policy which has a good claim settlement ratio, at least 98%. I'm not saying go for any policy, because this time we have decided no names will be mentioned in this short summary for a specific reason. So go for the ones with 98% at least claim settlement ratio and the premiums are low. You can get all this data on IRDS website. So I'm not mentioning any names, no marketing, no nothing wrong. Please go for that insurance company which has minimum 98% claim settlement ratio and a claim settlement ratio, and the premium should be low. Do not buy ULIPs, money back and endowment. I've been saying this repeatedly. Commissions are very high, returns are very low. It's a fraud being committed on the investors. Very unfortunate. Do not buy money back, endowment, ULIPs. If you already purchased it, don't worry. Don't regret that decision now. You already made a mistake. Make it fully paid up. So one, do not buy. If you're already purchased, make it fully paid up. That is where it becomes easier for you. At least you don't keep putting in more and more money. Very important. Very, very important. Online direct plans, very cheap. Online direct plans, very, very cheap. Even while investing in index funds, please consider online direct plans. Here, I want to recommend, with your permission, dear Simar, two. There are many such that, but two which I find very useful is Kuvera and Zerodha. Right? They encourage you to do online direct plans. Please be noted, you save straight away 1.5%. We are very concerned about your money. So we are again requesting, if you know the product, do online direct plans, save 1.5% per annum, and it keeps compounding over a period of time. Yes, please make disclosures of all your pre-existing diseases. Many a times claims are rejected because many people don't disclose their pre-existing diseases. Humble request, if you're smoking, disclose it. If you have a problem with cholesterol, please disclose it. Premiums will go up, but at least, the claim settlement will be in your favor. Again, I repeat, share knowledge, share knowledge. This is a permanent feature of all my webinars. And I again say the second time, do not mix insurance and investments. Then what did we do in the next session? I'm happy that all of you all are going to do this, right? 24th May, we continued this journey. And again, we kept saying that, right, you should be very careful that there should be riders, and it's expected that premiums will go up very soon. Premiums will go up very, very soon, right? So you should take a term immediately. Thanks to my dear colleagues, we found out a product known as term with return of premium, right? Now that's a bogus product, term with return of premium. It doesn't matter which company, but it is definitely a bogus product. Pure term policy does not talk about return of premiums, right? It is just like an accident insurance. Why the premiums are low is because it covers your life. That's all, right? So don't go for anywhere this word comes in. Now, this is again a new thing that has started in the market where they say that term insurance will return on premium. I think that is a very bad product to go for. I repeat, please do not buy insurance in the name of your child. Term insurance, life insurance is for the earning member. How can you buy insurance in the name of your child? Unless the child is a superstar and is earning income and your family is depending on that income. Now, this is again, I will not use the word fraud this time. This is again an irony which is being perpetuated by insurance companies, and financial literacy being the we. There is an appeal to our emotional senses by which we make wrong financial decisions. So again, repeat, please do not buy insurance in the name of your child. Buy mutual funds. Cheaper, you will attain your financial goals. So do you want your son to get educated? Index mutual funds, simple. No ULIPs, no endowment, no money back. Having said that, yes, sometimes, many a times we try to oblige a manager or a relative by buying insurances. Don't do that. If you want to oblige your relative, give him a loan, but don't get into the trap of paying premiums. The relations will anyway get spoiled. And more importantly, you are getting into something which is very bad, right? So do not support relatives, right? First thing, my request to all of you is please go back and check what policies do you have. 99% of the times you will have money back and endowment. Take it from me in writing. 99.9% of the time you will have money back, endowment and ULIPs. Okay, very few people are having term insurances. So you have to be really, really careful. That is the right product. Yes, we at Hertech, we talked about small stocks and how that as some people make very good returns, but that risk is very high. In today's time, small stocks have been beaten up, but then you leave with risk. So you should know the risk before investing. Don't blame any portfolio manager for the mistakes. Don't blame your investment advisor. You should know that small companies can fall down during challenging times, and there is no surprises in that. Yes, many a times Warren Buffett's example is given to us, and then we want to become a Warren Buffett. Please remember, there is nothing known as easy money, right? First thing is, don't take stress about money too much. Don't give it undue importance. It is important. Don't give it undue importance. And there is nothing known as easy money. So my humble request, Warren Buffett is great, but not everybody can become Warren Buffett. So what I request is consider index funds, do an SIP, recurring deposit into SIP and STP. This is Menon Mantra. STP is systematic transfer plan. Moment you get your return, take your money out. Moment you get your return, take your profit out. Now that profit you will invest in safe debt funds. So please understand, don't wait for your money to keep growing like Warren Buffett. 100 rupees have become 115 rupees. Take 15 rupees out, put it in a debt fund. Take 15 rupees out, put it in a debt fund. Compounding works well even in debt funds, right? Otherwise, tomorrow that 115 will become 90. 90 will become 80, like we see today. Values are crashing. That is why STP, systematic transfer plan. Yes, very, very critical that I've been saying this, right? Again, one more chap that we will come with a separate video on this. Do not opt for moratorium on loans. Please don't opt for moratorium of loans because it's bullshit. It's a very bad thing. Moratorium means many people believe that, it is an interest-free loan. It is not an interest-free loan. No, there is going to be interest on interest. Okay, so opt for moratorium only if you require it. I'm so happy that there is some financial literacy in our country, that some people have filed a litigation in the High Court saying, these are banks which have taken us for a ride. I don't want to get into a PIL case here, but my request is moratorium does not come cheap. So opt for it only if you require it. Yes, this is my contact details. I'm available through Dear Simmer also. You can take my details. This is my Instagram page, Facebook. And yes, I forgot, I'm sorry, I'm on Twitter also now. So I do tweet. That's it. A very short summary of all the 3 sessions. All your questions can be directed to Dear Simmer. I'll take it, or directly to me. This short summary was for quick action. Now that you have a short summary, please move into action, because that's what we at Hertech Knowledge Center, and that's exactly what Menon Mantra stand for. No much of Gyan, only calm. So please go back. I'll again keep pushing this back just for one last minute. All right. So this is where I was requesting all of you all. First slide. Love you all. Please apply. So there you'll see there'll be a recurring theme in the entire discussion. In the longer versions, I've given examples. Second day, discipline, I keep saying most important. No money back, no endowment. If you have it, make it fully paid up. If you have it, make it fully paid up. That means you'll not lose your money, but you don't have to put more money into it. And yes, no insurances in the name of the child. Financing has to be done with logic and not with emotions. That's it, Simar Bete. You wanted a very short and sweet summary. Thank you very, very much. Right? It'd be a pleasure, right? If I could be of any more value to you, Bache.
Thank you so much, sir. I think, again, today's session was once again a very short and crisp session, because, जैसे time बढ़ रहा है, lockdown के बाद अब काम भी start हुआ, so, me and sir thought that, how can we insurance and investments में क्या do's and don'ts हैं, वो जो top 5, top 6 चीजें क्या हैं, वो हम discuss करना चाह रहे थे. Once again, a very big thank you to Dr. Menon. His mission, my endorsement, my plea to all is working with a mission for financial literacy for all. Menon Mantra, as you can see here, you can Facebook, YouTube, Instagram. He's coming up with small videos, notices, informing everyone. So you can just follow him, share all these things, and the focus is very clear: financial literacy for all. So once again, a big thank you to Dr. Anil Menon and all the entire participants who've joined. Over 1,000+ people every time have joined and supported us. So thank you once again, and for all the love and support. Thank you, Dr. Menon.
Can I end by
Yes,
saying
please.
one thing?
Yes.
Right, you're doing a great job, Sivar, and no wonder your organization, Her Take Power, has been voted as one of the great places to work with. Your passion comes across very, very clearly, and keep up the good work. This is for you and your lovely team, Betek. God bless.
Thank
God
you.
bless.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much.